Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So, in this tutorial, I will show you how to use GPT-4 for free, with no catches or limitations on access. The first step is to sign up for a free OpenAI account. So go to any browser and search chat.openai.com/auth/login on your address bar and register for a free account. Once you log in, go to the Playground button on the navigation bar. However, the chat model only goes up to GPT 3.5 with a free OpenAI account. To use GPT-4, go to again any browser and search not.dev and register with your email, phone number, or Google account. Once you receive a code and log in, you can access GPT-4 for free in the drop-down menu. You can also use the compare mode to compare different AI models. This platform is currently free, but the creator is working on a rate-limiting feature. Hopefully, this guide helps you access GPT-4 for free without any limitations in the future. That's all for today's video. Make sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the latest in creative AI and technology. Until next time, stay creative.